Alright guys, so today I want to do a quick review on my Senstone watch. It's this one right here. I'll go ahead and take it off so you kind of see what it looks like. Really nice retro punk design. Show you this right here. It's got like kind of like a skull outline on here. One of the beautiful things about it is how big this part is. It's 44 millimeters in size, so like very nice. It's also got the date right down here. And to set it up, it's really easy, and it also comes with the little manual for it, so everything that you need to set it up. The other cool thing that I found on the watch is that it's also 30 meters in water resistance, so no matter what you're doing around the house, it'll be okay to withstand some water. As you can see, like just the design, like that stainless steel is really nice. And I've worn it like this casual, I've worn it like once some business casual, and the watch just like really stands out. So let me put this back on, just so you could kind of see it, because it won't even really matter what you're wearing, because it just looks really clean, like that. Like I said, and the last thing that I'll say is around here, it's got like little dots that like in the dark it'll actually light up. So it has so many cool features. So if you're looking for a really nice watch, I highly recommend this one by Senstone. 10 out of 10.